This is about STS नर्सिंग टेस्ट प्रिपरेशन। ओके, सो आज हमने जो है डिस्कस करने हैं कुछ पास पेपर जो STS कंडक्ट करवाने जा रहा है, जो मेल कॉलेज ऑफ नर्सिंग जो सिंध में होने जा रहा है। जो भी उसमें टेस्ट्स होती हैं हो चुकी हैं जो पिछले ईयर्स में, जो 2024 में जो भी मतलब कि उसमें टेस्ट्स हो चुकी हैं बायोलॉजी पोर्शन से रिलेटेड, जो भी उसमें एमसीक्यूज आए थे वो मैं आज आपको करवाने जा रहा हूँ। ओके, सो मेरी यही कोशिश है कि मैं जो है फिज़िक्स एंड केमिस्ट्री का पोर्शन भी आपको सॉल्व करवाऊँ। ओके, सो आज हमने जो है STS मेल नर्सिंग कॉलेज ऑफ नर्सिंग लारकाना जो है उसका पास पेपर डिस्कस करवाने जा रहा हूँ। ओके, सो आपने अभी तक मेरे चैनल पे जो भी न्यू है अभी तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, काइंडली सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक एंड शेयर करें ताकि जो भी आने वाली न्यू अपडेट हो वो आपको डेली बेसिस पे मिलती रहे। ओके, सो स्टार्ट करते हैं वीडियो को, देखते हैं उसमें कौन से एमसीक्यूज बनाए गए थे, कौन से एमसीक्यूज टेस्ट में एडिशन की गई थी। ओके, और कौन कौन से एमसीक्यूज जो है बार बार रिपीटेड हो रहे हैं। ओके, सो जो भी इसमें STS वालों ने किया था पास पेपर, जो भी उसकी टेस्ट हुई थी वो आज मैं आपको करवाने जा रहा हूँ। ओके, देखते हैं कौन से एमसीक्यूज इसमें दिए गए हैं। ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फर्स्ट एमसीक्यूज में कह रहे हैं अल्ब्यूमिन इज द most important protein in blood serum. It is produced by liver, not a human heart, not a lungs, not a endocrine gland. So only albumin is most important protein in blood serum. It is produced by liver, not a endocrine gland, not a lungs, not a heart. So only liver. Okay. Number second, which of the following is the function of human liver? So functions of human liver is different types of human liver, their others function. Okay, so first of all, a option, production of bile, this is correct. Then number second, metabolization of fat, this is correct. Then number C, metabolization of carbohydrate, this is very correct. So only inverse correct option is D, all of above inverse correct. Okay, number third, animals that eat meat almost exclusively known as carnivorous, herbivorous, arthropods, prolific organisms. So only animal belong with carnivorous, not a herbivore. So only plant related with herbivores, then animals related with carnivores, not herbivores. Okay. Then number fourth, he says a chromosomes is composed of which of the following? DNA only, this is not. DNA and RNA, this is not. DNA and RNA with protein, this is not. So only DNA and protein is a composed of chromosomes. Okay, not a DNA only, not a DNA or RNA only. So only in which DNA with protein. Okay, then number fifth, he says where is the liver located? Where is the liver located in the human body? So beside the pancreas, this is wrong. Then beside the heart, this is very wrong. Then beside the kidney, this is wrong. Then above the abdominal cavity, this is correct. So only located of liver located in human body, that is known as above the abdominal cavity, not other sides. Okay. Then number six, he says cell membrane take material by unfolding through a process that is known as active transport, this is not. Passive transport, this is not. Selective permittivity, this is not. So only cell membrane take in material in unfolding through process known as endocytosis. Okay, not other passive or active. Then number seventh, the most common type of incurable viral hepatitis in the United States. So only this is called as hepatitis C, not a hepatitis B, not a hepatitis A, not a hepatitis D. So only is the hepatitis C is the common type of incurable viral hepatitis in United States. Okay. Number 8, what is the estimated number of cell dead known as that the human body is composed of 37.2 billion, this is not 33.7 trillion, this is not, then 37.2 trillion, this is correct. So only estimated number of cell that human body is composed of 37.2 trillion cells. Okay. Then 9, animals and plants are distinguished by which of the following features? That is known as cell wall, not a nucleus, not a mitochondria, not a Golgi apparatus. So only different in which features with animal and plant that distinguished by cell wall. Okay. Number 10. What is the largest organ in human body? Largest organ in human body, that is known as skin, is the largest organ in human body. Not he says largest gland in human body. So only he says largest organ in human body, that is known as skin. Number 11. Severe, accurate or incurable liver disease result in blood clotting. Okay. Then production of blood protein. Okay. Elimination of water, drugs and toxin and other body of known as all of above. So only he says severe, accurate or incurable liver disease result in blood clotting. Correct. Production of blood protein. This is correct. C. Elimination of water, drugs, toxins from body, that is known as all of above is correct. Okay. 12. What is the amount of blood contained in human body? So 5 to 6 liters blood contained in human body. Okay. So only in which correct option is B, 5 to 6 liters, not a 6 to 7, not a 7 to 8, not a 5 to 4 to 5. Okay. Number 11. 13. How many blood group in ABO system? So number 4 is a correct. A, B, AB, O. So fourth blood group are in ABO system. Okay, not a 5, not a 6, not a 3. Then 14. What is the largest gland? Okay, Prius, what is the largest organ? Then what is the largest gland? That is known as liver. Not a head, not a kidney, not a leg. So only what is the largest gland? So largest gland in human body, that is known as liver. Not a head, kidney and lungs. Okay. Drinking too much alcohol. Okay, drinking too much alcohol over long period of time result in alcoholic liver disease. Okay, not a fasciculosis, not a fatty liver disease, not a primary sclerosing cholangitis. Okay, so only lungs, only alcohol over long period of time that result in alcoholic liver disease. Okay. Then 16. Drinking too much alcohol or long period, that is known as alcoholic liver disease. Okay. Then what is the Function of retina. What is the function of retina? That is known as to make a proper image. This is not to create reflection of an image. This is correct option. Not to size up to image, not a none of these. So only to create reflection of an image. Okay. Then what is the weight of human brain? So human brain का जो वेट होता है वो हमारे पास 1.5 kg होता है. ओके, सो वेट ऑफ ह्यूमन ब्रेन इज नोन एज 1.5 kg. Okay, what is the average blood pressure of human body? So he says average blood pressure in human body in adult stage, so only 120 to 80 mmHg. Okay, systolic 120, diastolic 80. Okay, so not a 130 to 80, not a 145 to 120, not a 80 to 120. Okay, so only 120 to 80 mmHg. Okay, systolic and diastolic. Then which of the following is not an example of liver disease? So only in which correct option is chicken pox. Chicken pox is not a liver disease, so other disease. So only fasciculosis, fatty liver disease, and Gilbert syndrome is called a liver disease. So only except chicken pox. Chicken pox is not a liver disease. Okay. Chicken pox is a viral disease. Then, what is the name of covering of central nervous system? So, outer covering of central nervous system seen as an meninges, not a spinal cord, not a skull, none of these. So, only outer covering of brain that collectively name is shows by meninges, not a spinal cord, not a skull, so other. Then, which part of occupies 80% brain? So, in which cerebrum? Cerebrum is the largest part of brain that occurs 80% brain, that is known as cerebrum, not a cerebellum, not a medulla, not a brain stem. So, only cerebrum. Okay. Which of the following statements is true about the human liver? इनमें से कौन सी स्टेटमेंट ट्रू है लिवर से? ओके, so liver is a trigonal shape. This is correct. Then liver is the only visceral organ that can regenerate. This is very correct. Then liver is the largest gland. Okay, this is very correct. An internal organ of human body. So in which correct option is D, all of above, in which correct option. Okay. Then which part of the okay sorry which part of the brain control fear, anger, body temperature? So this is called as hypothalamus, not a brainstem, not a medulla, not a cerebrum. So only in which correct option is D, hypothalamus. Okay. Then what is the pH of urine? So this is called as 6 is the pH of urine. Then pH of blood, that is known as 7.3. Okay. Then 7 is the pH of water. Okay. What is the amount of urine that healthy person passes in day? So this is called as 1,500 milliliter. Okay, not a 1,300 milliliter. So other. So only in which correct option is B. Okay. Then what is the average weight of human head? So this is called as 300 gram in weight of human head. Okay. Then what is the covering of human head? This is called as pericardium. What is the mixed gland of human body that is known as pancreas? Pancreas is a mixed gland. Okay, not a liver is a mixed gland, not a thyroid is gland, not a pituitary is a mixed gland. So only pancreas is a mixed gland. Okay. Then which acid is secreted from stomach that is known as HCl? Hydrochloric acid is secreted from stomach that kill the bacteria. Okay. Then pathogen. How many ribs in human thorax? So कितनी ribs होती हैं human thorax में? So 12 pair of ribs in human thorax. Okay. What is the percentage of calcium stored in bones? So हमारे यहाँ 97% जो होती है वो हमारे यहाँ जो है कैल्शियम स्टोर होती है बोन में 97%. Okay. Then what is the function of homoglobin? So homoglobin का जो function होता है वो transport करना होता है ऑक्सीजन को. Okay. So who invented human blood group system? So this is called as Carl Landsteiner, the scientist that invented human blood group system. Okay. What is the considered the powerhouse of cell that is known as mitochondria? Okay. So ये बार बार repeated हो रहा है. Study of fossils that is known as paleontology. Okay. Then study of tissue. Okay, then study of tissue is known as histology, not a pharmacology, not a paleontology, not a geology. So only study of tissue is known as histology. Okay. So then lactic acid fermentation take place in muscles, not a liver, not a heart, not a pancreas. So only lactic acid fermentation through muscles. Okay. सो ये थे कुछ एमसीक्यूज जो आज हमने आपको करवाए. सो मुझे दीजिए इजाज़त, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. सो ये थे कुछ पास पेपर मेल नर्सिंग कॉलेज ऑफ नर्सिंग जो लारकाना की यूनिवर्सिटी है, जिसमें जो भी रिपीटेड हुए थे बायोलॉजी से रिलेटेड एमसीक्यूज 2024 में. सो मैंने सोचा वो आज आपको मैंने करवाया. ओके. सो मेरी यही कोशिश है जो केमिस्ट्री का पोर्शन है वो भी मैं आज आपको करवाऊँ. देन उसके बाद फिज़िक्स एंड इंग्लिश का भी पोर्शन करवा ही दूँ. ओके. सो इसको ज़रूर मद रखना. ओके. क्योंकि मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट रिपीटेड जो एमसीक्यूज होते हैं वो बार बार रिपीटेड होते हैं. ओके. सो थैंक यू, बेस्ट ऑफ लक. सो अभी तक मेरे चैनल पे जो भी न्यू है, मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो काइंडली सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक एंड शेयर करें, ताकि जो भी आने वाली न्यू अपडेट हो वो आपको डेली बेसिस पे मिलती रहे. ओके. थैंक यू, बेस्ट ऑफ लक.